Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lucy, your relationship coach. Today we'll be talking about the biggest flirting mistakes men make in a relationship. Okay, but before I start, guys, I want to use this opportunity and thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for sharing my videos. And also, please, if you've not been doing this, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share. Make sure you like and share this video, okay? Like and share. I know most of your friends, most of your men friends, they would like to listen to this video. Make sure you share. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Thank you guys. So let's get started, guys. So the biggest flirting mistakes men make in a relationship. But today I'm going to give you 5 mistakes men make in a relationship. Number 1 is this: do not get carried away by her smiles or favor to you. Do not get carried away by her smiles or favor to you. Most guys, when they see a lady smile at them, they will think, yeah, this lady is interested in me. Maybe she will like me. Maybe she's showing me signs. Or maybe a lady happened to help you out in something. The guy will say, this lady is interested in me. She wants a favor from me. No, it's not like that, guys. It's not like that. Ladies are not like that, okay? It could be the natural way the person does her own things. It could be her personality. Do not be carried away by that. It's bad. It could be her personality. It could be just the way she's made. And if you think like this, it will make you get carried away and start misbehaving. And once you start misbehaving, she will fashion you, she will shun you, she will embarrass you, she will do lots of things that will make you unhappy, she will disrespect you, and you wouldn't want to get disrespected. So please do not do that, okay? Do not do that. Yeah. The second biggest flirting mistake is this: do not date anyone you are working with. Do not flirt in your place of work, okay? Yeah, most guys do this in their place of work. Maybe they see a beautiful lady, they now think, yeah, she's okay for me. Maybe the lady is a kind of showing interest. Yeah, they will think this is the best time for me to flirt with this lady. No, don't make that mistake. You know, most guys are carried away by what they see, and that's why they are caught, they are trapped into this problem, because they are carried away with what they see. Yeah, but it's good to have self-control, control yourself. Do not make such mistake. Do not flirt in your place of work. Number 1 reason why you shouldn't do this is that it could earn you disrespect. It could earn you disrespect in the sense that people's working with you, they will devalue you. Yeah. Second thing is your source of income. That's the second reason. It's your source of income. Do not make such mistakes, because you might get fired and your source of income will close and you end up suffering. Do not do that, okay? Third thing is that in every relationship there is ups and downs, and it must come. One day it must come and you will see it happen. The person you think maybe you are flirting with is nice for you will end up being the Jezebel for you that day. So, and it could run a lot of things for you. You could see another side of her which you will not like, which will lead to making you lose your job. Please do not do that. The fourth thing is that there is mood swing. Everybody have mood swings. In a day, the person you are flirting with will not be happy. Maybe she has a mood swing. They won't respect you. Please don't do that. Don't do that. So that it will save you the embarrassment, the disrespect. Do not do that. Especially to your boss. Do not flirt with your boss at your workplace. It will help you keep your work safe. It will help you be yourself. Okay? Yeah. You wouldn't want to get fired in your place of work. So please do not do that. Okay? Yeah. The third thing is this: do not touch her. What did I say? I say do not touch her. Most guys make this mistake. Most guys make this mistake. When they see a lady for the first time, they would want to kiss her, hug her, touch her buttocks, hold her hands, and so on. It's a very big mistake, and it's a disrespect to her. Do not do that. Do not do that. She could disrespect you. She could fire you, do lots of wild things to you. Don't do that, especially if you do it to the wrong person. You could get a slap for doing that. Even in most developed countries, if you try such, the lady could sue you. How will you even know? The fourth flirting mistake you shouldn't make is don't be too strong on her and don't be mean. Okay, what I mean in essence is that you should show a smiley face, you should not be authoritative, you should be realistic. Okay, let these sly guys that are royal, don't be authoritative to her in the sense that maybe you just meet her today, you start telling her, come to my hotel room, call me on phone by so time so that we can talk. It's not nice, it's not wise. She could embarrass you. Yeah, do not do that. She could embarrass you. Okay, yeah. So the final and the fifth flirting mistake is this: don't flirt with the intention of being unserious. Most ladies doesn't want to be used. Most ladies want a serious guy. They are just tired of being with the wrong people. They are tired of being with confused guys. They need genuine things. They need real people. Do not be confused. Do not be unserious. If you know you are going to be unserious, do not flirt with her. She will misinterpret it and she will end up not having anything to do with you. Okay, thank you guys. We'll be ending the video here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day.